Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Flickr photo into WordPress page or post using Xyan Builder. So first thing, let's go to Flickr and find the Creative Commons directory. You can go through Explore, then Commons, and from here you can find the photos based on niche or theme. Right, so let's say if you choose from one of the available options, and if we choose particular photo, something like this, right, and if I want to embed that particular image, so what I can do is, let's go to this particular photo, then click on share, then choose the embed option, copy the code. Now go to the page and edit it with Xyan Builder. Now here we have to add content element into our page. So let's go with tree view, choose the section called element, then choose content, add custom code. Right, now edit this particular element, and as you can see, the moment you add the code, it will embed the image into your content element. So now save and publish and view that particular page, and as you can see, the photo that we viewed here is now visible on our WordPress page as well.